All right, here you go.
All right, take it out.
I'll get away from him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, get the water.
Take the water.
Just throw it.
Wash that mouth out.
Keep drinking or keep spitting out.
The aftertaste lasts a while.
You still feel it?
Your tongue kind of tingles.
Really?
He dropped it out.
It probably just overrides your taste buds, man. It's just like,
It's just too dry that you can't even lick it off, because if you lick it off, it gets back there. I have a trick though. I put it right here. If I could just lick a little on it.
yeah.